Let's make this fun, healthy version of a charcuterie board. My cousin was coming to visit and she had had a week of bad food. So what she said was, I just need a snack and I need it to be nourishing. So I came up with this charcuterie board, which is super simple to put together. It didn't take long. I think it looks very inviting and it is full of nutrients. I started with a bowl of hummus in the middle and surrounded it with baby carrots, making it much quicker to put together, and thin sliced celery. And yes, you will catch me taking a little nibble here and there. I couldn't resist. I used the Back to Nature cracker, and I'll be honest, these are not the healthiest crackers. It gave a little bit of variety, and I live in this good, better, best world, and I would put these in the good category. They do contain seed oils, and I wish they would just switch it out for olive oil or avocado oil. Just seems like that would be an easy switch. These are the Cracker Cuts extra sharp cheddar cheese, which went really well with everything that I had on this board. Dates are very good for you. They're packed with nutrients, antioxidants. They can help to calm the body for those of you that suffer from anxiety. High in fiber, and I stuff it with pecans, which have healthy fats, another source of protein, and tons of nutrients. I added some sliced strawberries and Mary's Gone crackers. Mary's Gone crackers are the healthiest cracker that I have personally found on the market that actually tastes good. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone that might want to know how to make a healthy charcuterie board. And now I'm going to go eat some of this yummy goodness.